this is actually my favorite room in the house. It has so much potential. It's so big, but it's just so weird.
This is a big master suite.
Is it possible to create a walk-in closet right here and blow this wall out and make this a large master bathroom?
It is, but it's gonna be really, really expensive.
Why?
Why?
All the venting and all the plumbing and wiring pipes from downstairs come up in these walls.
Can we just move it somewhere else?
We can, but we have to redirect everything.
No, we can't do that.
There's one more alternative. On the exterior wall of the garage, we can put a tankless hot water tank,
Okay,
and we can vent it to the exterior,
I like this.
and that'll run about $2,000, and then we can alleviate all this piping in the wall here.
I think in order to create a large master bathroom, that's key here. Right now, it's horrible.
Okay, let's bump this out. Yes,
So-
are we agreeing on this?
Yes,
Bump it
for
out.
$2,000, we can bump it out.
Yes.
Okay, so,
And you're green because you got a tankless water heater.
yeah, exactly. It's a win-win. In here, I feel like this area is so small, I don't even think it can fit a double vanity, can it?
Kind of small for a double vanity here.
So is there any way we can create a private toilet area, which would be great. Can we make this area a little bit smaller where the toilet is so we can at least make the vanity bigger?
Yeah, we'll bump this wall over, and then we have enough room for double vanity here.
How much is it to do on this side of the bathroom?
About $3,000 less the materials picked out for finishes.
So about $5,000 total to reconfigure
Yes.
everything.
Not including high-end materials.
Right. So this is our layout. The next step is, once you do the framing and everything, we need to go design it. Next time we come back, we'll be able to put the house back together.
Yep.
Perfect.
How do you feel about the space? The bedroom wall's up.
Well, it's definitely small in here now.
Hey, Frank.
Hey, guys.
I don't know, I kind of have mixed emotions about it. I feel like, this would have been like a fabulous family room, but again, we have a downstairs bedroom.
Can I make your decision a little harder?
Oh.
Oh, what?
Everything was drawn up.
Okay.
The city approved all the plans. The sanitation fees are $4,322.
Huh?
When you add a bedroom, you add people, you add more usage to the facilities in the house.
I've
So
never heard
there
of
are
this.
more costs incurred.
That's so much money.
The cities mandate what we have to pay.
Why don't we just not move forward with it?
You know what? I say we just stick with the original game plan, pay the $4,000, make a bedroom.
It really sucks.
I know one thing. Houses in this neighborhood are a minimum of 4 bedroom. This has to bring value.
We're only 3 months into this house and my due date is getting closer by the day. Finally, it's time to talk design.
All right, so this is the focal point of the house. We need to figure out what to do in here.
It's a focal point. It's also the ugliest part of the house currently. Honestly, what I was thinking here, just, vertical, slanted staircase. And then you could see all the way through it. It'd be really pretty.
What are you looking at? Like, that's like at least $2,000 to $3,000.
For the railing alone, you're looking at $4,000 to $5,000.
This is the part where we have to spend the most money. It's right in the middle of the whole entire house.
Okay, Frank, she's gonna send you the wrought iron railing design. We'll get a bid, have the floor guy out, see what he says about the staircase.
Let's do hardwood in the living room and up the stairs, tile the entry, and save money by carpeting the bedrooms.
Okay, that's fine.
So now, the big question is the massive fireplace. Okay, so what I'm thinking is just basically 4 different types of laminate, different colors, different sizes, so we can lay them horizontally going up, 4 textures. It's gonna be amazing.
So pretty much different color laminate, all the way up.
And it's not gonna be crazy expensive.
Okay, so we have a game plan for the staircase and the fireplace, right?
And the floors.
And the floors.
Perfect, move forward. To save money in this house, we're going with prefabricated gray cabinets in the kitchen and bathrooms, in addition to quartz countertops and a honeycomb white backsplash tile.
So we're looking at something like this
Exactly.
with different colors in each room.
Yeah, let's try to add a decent amount of the gray.
I'm gonna throw it out there, Frank. We've been working on this house forever. I expected us to be a little bit more done, as in almost done in here, and nothing's really changed. Can you please let us know what's happening?
Inspector came out. They won't release any approvals until I give them the specifications for the tank list. I sent them in yesterday. We should have the go-ahead to start as early as tomorrow.
No, I'm confused. So until that's done, we can't even put tile up in the bathroom?
No, they require certain things. We have to give it to them. They stop us, we stop.
I'm gonna have this baby before the house is done.
Fortunately, our final approvals came through the following day. So now we're scrambling to get everything together and finish this house.
That looks amazing.
It's cool, huh?
It is so cool. I'm like so tired. I gotta get off my feet.
You're not gonna make the open house here, are you?
There's absolutely no way. This house is taking a long time. I'm actually really sad about not making this open house because it's probably one of my favorite designs we've done.
Go home. You need your rest.
Looks really pretty. Want to see the inside? Look at the stairway.
Oh my gosh, this staircase looks unreal. Look at this.
It looks amazing. It looks perfect.
Wow.
I think this is probably my favorite house we've ever done. The fireplace, that exit wall looks insane.
No, good.
I'm so sad I'm not there right now, honestly. This house looks to die for.
Well, yeah, we have our $20,000 staircase.
Buyers are gonna be obsessed.
Well, I got the final numbers today. We spent $139,000 on this remodel. After closing costs, that's a break even of $644,000. Here's the kitchen. Wow, look at that.
Kitchen looks so pretty. I love the great cabinets.
You know, we were going back and forth on the bedroom. It actually works because there's a table, a couch, and there's actually plenty of room in here still. After spending close to $140,000 to remodel this house, there is no comp as nice. So we've decided to be really aggressive and list this house for $728,000. Fingers crossed we haven't overspent for the area. I'm Tarek.
Tarek, nice to meet you.
How you doing, Kevin?
Kevin, nice to meet you. So I'll tell you a little bit about the house. We just finished remodeling it, and it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and we're on the market for $728,000.
Okay.
Love to get your opinion on the price as well as the remodel, and feel free to look around.
Okay,
great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, nice wood floors too. I mean,
Yeah.
they're not laminate, right?
No, that's real wood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at the stairwell.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. No carpet.
Wow, the staircase is amazing.
I definitely like the fireplace.
Got the nice marble there.
The color combination.
Yeah, it is. It's beautiful.
I like how the gray pops out in the cabinets.
Oh, the kitchen's beautiful.
I love the high ceilings too. Wow.
Right? Bonus feature.
You walk right into your master.
Yeah, this whole house has the open flow to it.
Look how huge this master
I want one of these.
Wow.